Hi friends, welcome to Nandini's recipe. This year I celebrated Pongal in my hometown, which is situated in Sivagangai district. Today I decided to show how I prepared Pongal for Pongal celebration. So now let's get started. So we decided to prepare Pongal in open space with dried sticks or veragu in Tamil. This is my first experience cooking like this and I was super excited to cook like this. First, we lit the camper and started the preparation by adding milk. After adding milk to the vessel, I added some water along with the milk and waited until the milk got boiled and started to effervescence or pungadal in Tamil. When the milk got boiled and when it started to effervescence or pop out of the vessel, I added rice along with the moong dal, which I already mixed and kept it. And the ratio of the rice and the moong dal must be such that it should be 1:2 ratio. For 1 cup of rice, it should be half cup of moong dal. Moong dal is nothing but pasi paruppu in Tamil. I often stir the rice along with the moong dal well because sometimes it gets burnt up under the bottom of the vessel. After the rice and the moong dal got well boiled, I added jaggery little by little and mixed it well such that the jaggery along with the rice got combined well together. Finally, I added some Elaichi powder to the pongal. In the meantime, I roasted some cashew nuts and dry grapes in the ghee. I added the roasted dry grapes and the cashew nuts to the pongal and gave a nice stir so that all of them got well combined together. Finally, I finished the preparation by adding ghee to the pongal. This is a rough measurement and not an exact one though, but this experience of cooking in open space with firewood stove, that is viraga adappu in Tamil, was a different one. We'll definitely come up with recipes using firewood stove in my upcoming videos. Pongal festival is dedicated to the sun god to convey our heart-bound thanks for providing energy for agriculture. We finally ended up our offerings by praying to the sun god. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for interesting recipes. Your subscription values a lot to me. Do share it with your friends and family members. I will come with another interesting recipe in my next video. Thank you.